Good morning, Mom. Good morning, classmates. So, my name is Erlyn Salingay, and we are the reporter number 4. So, my topic was all about sugar. So, sugar, a sweet and versatile compound. Sugar, a fundamental ingredient in many foods and beverage. Sugar consists of sweet, crystalline, soluble organic compounds that belong to the important food components collectively called carbohydrates. So there are classifications of sugar. So first is the monosaccharides are the simplest form of sugar. So monosaccharides has three parts: the glucose, galactose, and fructose. So glucose, the primary sugar in our bloodstream. Glucose is the basic unit upon which the higher carbohydrates are built. So next is the fructose. Sweetens fruits and honey. Fructose is the sugar that gives flavor to many fruits because it occurs most abundantly in these foods. So lastly is the galactose, found in exclusively in milk. Galactose does not occur free in nature. It is not found in quantities in any food but milk. Glucose, the foundation of carbohydrates. Glucose is the backbone of complex carbohydrates. Energy source, provides vital energy for our bodies. Natural occurrence, found in fruits, vegetables, and plant sap. Blood sugar, main form of carbohydrates transport in the blood. Next is the fructose, the sweetness of fruits. Fructose is naturally present in fruits and honey. Sweetness factor. Fructose is sweeter than glucose. Fruit sugar, the primary sugar found in fruits. Honey source, also found in honey produced by bees. Galactose, the milk sugar. Galactose is the sugar found in milk. Milk sugar, primarily found in milk. Lactose intolerance. Some individuals lack of enzyme to digest galactose. Dairy products present in cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. Next is the disaccharides, or the combinations of sugar. Disaccharides are composed of two sugar molecules. First is the sucrose, next is maltose, third is the lactose. Sucrose, common table sugar, derived from sugarcane or sugar beets. Maltose is found in malt extract and used in baking. Lactose is milk sugar composed of glucose and galactose. Sucrose, the everyday sugar. Sucrose is the most common sugar we consume. Source, sugarcane or sugar beets. So, composition, glucose plus fructose. Then, ang sugar beets, glucose plus fructose. Then, usage, sweetener, food ingredients. Pwede ni siya ipanghalo sa pangpatamis pa ng mga pe, tapos dito na siya i-mix. Sweetener or food ingredients. Next is the maltose, or the malt sugar. Maltose is a sugar found in malt extract. Brewing, used in brewing beer and other beverage. Baking, added to bread and other baked goods. Malt extract, found in malt extract, a source of carbohydrates. Next is the lactose, or the milk sugar. Lactose is the sugar found in milk and dairy products. Milk, primary source of lactose. So milk are the primary source of lactose. Digestion requires the enzymes lactase for digestion. Lactose intolerance, inability to digest lactose, leading to digestive discomfort. So next is understanding sugar, a key to health. Sugar plays a vital role in our diet and health. Yes, it's true. Energy source provides essential energy for our bodies. Moderation is key. Excess sugar consumption can lead to health issues. Natural sugar sources. Fruits, vegetables, and dairy products provides naturally occurring sugars. So, sugar, the sweet science behind baking. Sugar is a key ingredient in baking. We all know that sugar is also important in baking, especially for bread, cakes, like that. So, energy boost. Simple carbohydrates, easy for our bodies to digest and use. Next, energy source provides calories for activity and growth. Next, nutrient wise, not a great source of vitamins or minerals. Balanced diet, important to consume a variety of foods. So, crystallization. Crystallization, a crystal is composed of closely packed molecules arranged in a pattern. So, crystallization occurs only if the solution is supersaturated. So, sugar-saturated solution, more sugar than water can dissolve. Crystal growth, sugar molecules aligned and form crystals. Look at the picture, Marshlag. Na form sila into a crystal. Then factors influencing crystal size, temperature, stirring, impurities. So, saturation or sugar solubility. Fairly large amount of sugar dissolves easily in water. The higher the temperature of the water, the greater the amount of sugar dissolves in it. Warm water, more sugar. Water dissolved, more sugar and higher temperatures. Saturated solution, maximum sugar dissolves at room temperature. Crystal-free melted sugar. Heated sugar melts into a clear mass without crystals. Next is the fermentation. Any solution which contains at least 12 to 25% sugar can undergo fermentation by yeast. Fermentation is a biochemical process that involves the action of microorganisms. Fermentation solution. Yeast action an aerobic oxidation of sugars, final products, alcohol, or wine ethyl alcohol. Sugar heating melts and turn into a clear liquid. Like, give an example sa picture. Continued heating darkens to a golden brown color. Caramelized sugar, distinctive flavor and aroma. Next is the hygroscopicity, or the sugar affinity for water. The property of sugar to absorb moisture from the atmosphere is called hygroscopicity. Fructose contains substances. Examples: molasses, honey, and brown sugar are the most hygroscopic. Moisture absorption. Sugar draws water from the air. Increased softness makes baked goods moist and chewy. Preventing staling helps keep baked goods fresh longer. Important for texture, affects the final consistency of baked goods. Sugar and baking are a sweet partnership. Sweetness and flavor. Add a touch of sweetness to baked goods. Texture and structure. Helps create desired textures and structure. Preservation extends the shelf life of baked goods. Golden color contributes to the golden color of baked goods. We all know that ang sugar is important in baking. Para na to nga HRS, we all know that baking is kanang kabaw na ta kung unsa ang baking kay sige na matawag bake. Then choosing the right sugar. Granulated sugar. Granulated sugar. Most common type of sugar. Then brown sugar contains molasses adding depth of flavor. Powdered sugar. Fine and airy, ideal for frostings. Other sugars, maple sugar, honey, agave, nectar. Enjoy the sweetness of baking. Sugar is a crucial part of baking.